are learning from our sources in the government, the vaccination is going to be voluntary. It's not mandatory, but the government has put out a very expansive protocol. The health workers first, then it will be the other frontline workers, that is the police, the paramilitary, and the other security forces, those who are involved in this entire process, the Safai Karamcharis and everybody else. And then it would be people above the age of 50, those who are going to get priority. But if you are less than 50 but have comorbidities or any serious ailment, you would also be considered for the first round of vaccination. The government is hoping that in the next 3 to 4 months, about 30 crore people would be vaccinated. Asutosh, as this dry run now rolls out, how is the Delhi government prepared, in fact, for this entire process? Because earlier we were speaking to Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who said that about 2.3 crore people in the national capital, and the health minister and the government of Delhi were very confident that they would be able to vaccinate more or less everybody in 3 to 4 months.
And that's exactly how they started preparing for it, from ensuring cold storage to keep these vaccines safe from this dry run has been announced by the government. So here, since the dry run has already begun, so primarily the Delhi government has announced it will be provided to the frontline workers, the medical staff, Anganwadi workers, sanitization workers, and that's exactly how the process it has started here. As you rightly said, that India is experienced to deal with such mass scale of programming of immunization as we have done with the polio and several others. So these vaccines are since already available, and India has done those exercises. So that's not going to be really a challenging task. But this dry run is also to ensure the smooth and robust distribution. Such one center in central Delhi's Daryaganj, and this is how the Anganwadi workers, frontline workers in this holding arena sitting up after the due registration process is complete. Following that, they will be taken to inside, and we know that the vaccine is in form of injections, is injectable. Once the purchase agreement is done by the center government, that will be then
Okay, Asutosh, I'm